Jay, look at yourself. Let's see if you like. Who is that? Who is it? He's just staring at himself. Who is that? He's like, wait, not you. Said, man, that thing's cute.
You want to roll over for the cute baby in the computer? Help him get started. Just kind of pick him up on that one side so he knows that's what you want to do. He's too interested in the baby in the computer.
You kind of wobbled that way a little bit. Come on, let's roll it over. Yay! Yay! It just took some help. It just took some help. Dude.